Hello, students. Today we will read lesson 1 of the book Hornbill, written by Mr. Khushwant Singh. Let's check our writer. Mr. Khushwant Singh was born in February 2, 1915 and passed away in March 20, 2014. He was a great Indian author, lawyer, diplomat, journalist, and politician. As a writer, his works are best known for his humor and sarcasm. As we have known the writer, now let's check his writing, what he has written. So, the name of the chapter is The Portrait of a Lady. Let's see the title. The Portrait of a Lady. Here, the portrait actually means the picture, the drawing, depicting only the face or up to the shoulders. पोर्ट्रेट एक्चुअली हम बेसिकली उसको कहते हैं जिसमें हमारा सब फेस ड्रॉन होता है या फिर शोल्डर्स तक भी हमारी ड्राइंग होती है. सो इन पोर्ट्रेट व्हाट अ पेंटर डज, ही ड्रॉज हिज स्केचेस, fills colors into them with the help of his imagination and perceptions. In the same way, the writer has portrayed the picture of a lady who is his grandmother. No other one. She is his grandmother, and he has portrayed his grandmother so beautifully, so drastically. What to tell you? The chapter will tell you further. So, what he has explained the beauty of his grandmother, her walks and talks, and her appearance, her behavior, and almost everything. So, he has given us the vivid and clear picture of his grandmother. How old she was, how did she look like, how many fine lines and wrinkles she had on her face, how she draped her sari, how she looked like, how she rambled around the house, how she was telling the rosemary beads, everything. You have never done so in your house. Have you ever observed your grandparents? I ask you. No, you should. See, during these coronavirus or COVID 19 days, you should take care of your grandparents and the elder ones. They need your care. Not only in these pandemic days, even every time throughout your life, you should take care of your elders. So, what the story says or portrays कि इसमें एक ग्रैंडसन है जिसने अपने परसेप्शन से अपनी ग्रैंड मदर की एक पोर्ट्रेट बनाई है जिसको हम जानेंगे हाउ हैज़ ही डिस्क्राइब हिज ग्रैंड मदर विद द हेल्प ऑफ हिज कीन एंड डीप observings and how their bond of love, the bond of love between the grandson and the grandmother grows, undergoes changes, and finally, unfortunately, ends also. The story also puts light on the need of companionship कि किस तरीके से दोनों को एक दूसरे की ज़रूरत थी, बच्चे को अपनी ग्रैंड मदर की और ग्रैंड मदर को अपने ग्रैंडसन की. And friendship, because between a small boy and grandmother there is the bond of the great bond friendship by our old grandparents. They need our help, support, care, and everything. They need our time, what we do not pay to them. So, let's start the chapter. My grandmother, like everybody's grandmother, was an old woman. She had been old and wrinkled for the 20 years that I had known her. My grandmother, like everybody's, means like everybody has their own grandmother. How does she look like? I have the same one. She also looks like a grandmother. Was an old woman. जैसे सबकी दादी माँ होती है ऐसे मेरी भी है. And she was an old woman. She had been old and wrinkled for 20 years. Means for the last 20 years, I have seen her with wrinkles and with the old age. There is no prompt changes or gradual changes, nothing. And wrinkle for 20 years that I had known her. पिछले 20 years से जब से मैं उनको जान रहा हूँ, I have seen that there is no spleen or slit changes in her. She is old. People said that she had once been young and pretty and had even had a husband. Because for last 20 years I have seen that my grandmother lives alone. She doesn't has husband. दादी माँ का मैंने कोई husband नहीं देखा, but people say that she had a husband and she was pretty, she was young, she was charming at her age. But I don't believe. But that was hard to believe. I don't believe, he didn't believe. Why? Because he had never seen the slight or the running changes in her grandmother. Okay, he had seen the fixed face throughout his 20 years. My grandfather's portrait hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. Mantelpiece, the place which is above the fireplace. Fireplace के ऊपर वाला जो place होता है, that is called mantelpiece. So my grandfather's portrait, the picture was hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. Now, how my grandfather looked like? My means Khushwant Singh. He's the lead role of the story. So he wore a big turban. Turban, Sikh people wear a turban around their head. So he wore a big turban and loose fitting clothes. His long white beard covered the best part of his chest. Best part means major part of his chest. He had long beard as old people and sick people have, and he looked at least 100 years old. और वो कैसे देखने में लग रहा था? Like 100 years old. He did not look the sort of person who would have a wife or children. अब उस बच्चे को वो ग्रैंडफादर इतने बूढ़े लग रहे थे उस पिक्चर में. Now see his imagination that a small boy cannot imagine the different stages of life, the different stages of the age. He sees the portrait and perceives that the grandfather is of 100 years and he cannot have a wife or a children. He looked as he could have only lots and lots of grandchildren. अब उस छोटे बच्चे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि दादाजी तो मेरे कभी यंग नहीं रहे होंगे, ऐसे कम एज इनकी कभी नहीं रही होगी. रादर ही लुक्स लाइक दैट ही हैज़ मेनी एंड मेनी ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन. As for my grandmother, being young and pretty means, as people would say that she was young or once she looked pretty, the thought was almost revolting. The thought, the idea was almost revolting. Here means disagreeable, means which is like you cannot agree with it. So the thought means that my grandmother looked young and pretty at any age, or she would look like, this thought or this idea is quite disagreeable, means I cannot agree with the statement, means the Khushwant saying is not agree with the statement that his grandmother uh, would have been looking or would have been looked like a nice and charming young girl. ये खुशवंत सिंह को इस बात पे बिल्कुल भी यकीन नहीं हो रहा है. बहुत ही उनको डिसअग्रीएबल और बहुत डिस्गस्टिंग ये बात लगती है कि अरे मेरी दादी माँ कभी बड़ी खूबसूरत और बड़ी यंग भी हुआ करी होंगी. नेवर. So see how a small boy uses his ideas, his own intelligence to define his grandmother. He gives his decisions, his results, instead of believing others, that others say that yes, once she was looking like this and his grandfather looked like this and he had such and such. This is the thinking and prospect of a small young child. She often told us of the games she used to play as a child. अब भाई दादी माँ की किसी चीज़ पे तो भरोसा होता नहीं था. कब से देख रहे थे वो वैसी की वैसी वाइट सी और एकदम ओल्ड एज वाली वैसी ही दिख रही थी. उनमें कोई ज़रा सा भी मीन्स नॉट अ सिंगल इंच ऑफ अ चेंज वॉज फाउंड इन ग्रैंड मदर. तो अब उसको तो सब लग रहा था कि सब तो ऐसा ही है, जब मैंने आज तक दादी में कभी कोई चेंज नहीं देखा तो ये कैसे हो सकता है. नाउ ही डजंट बिलीव ऑन एनी थिंग which is said by his grandmother. So she often told us of the games she used to play as a child. अब जैसे हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं, वो बताते हैं कि अरे हमने अपने टाइम में ये करते थे, आई वुड हैव बीन सच एंड सच, आई हैड डन सच एंड सच. So we don't believe. On few things we believe, but on major of the things we don't believe. This happens with everyone, with me too. So she often told us of the games she used to play as a child that seemed quite absurd, weird, एंड अनडिग्निफाइड ऑन हर पार्ट. मतलब बिल्कुल ही समझ में नहीं आता था कि जो दादी कह रही हैं कि येस आई यूज टू प्ले दीज टाइप्स ऑफ गेम्स, आई यूज टू प्ले सच सॉर्ट ऑफ गेम्स. सो इट वॉज लाइक क्वाइट एब्सर्ड, वियर्ड, एकदम अजीब लगता था, स्ट्रेंज लगता था, एंड अनडिग्निफाइड. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लगता था कि उनको सूट करता हो on her part, and we treated it like the fables of the prophets. Fables, stories, prophets, like priest, जैसे पंडित होते हैं वो सब, जैसे कहानियाँ सुनाते हैं भगवान के अवतारों की. तो हम ऐसे ही बिलीव करते थे कि अरे कोई पंडित जी हैं और वो किसी की कोई कहानी सुना रहे हैं. इन द सेम वे द स्मॉल बॉय खुशवंत सिंह बिलीव्ड ऑन द grandmother. She had always been short and fat. She was short heighted and fat, no changes in her height, no changes in her health. She was as fat as she was and slightly bent, और थोड़ी सी bent दी, जैसे हमारे old people होते हैं, they have a stoop, थोड़ा सा झुके होते हैं on the stoop. Her face was a crisscross of wrinkles running from everywhere to everywhere. She is an old woman, so it is understood that she would have many wrinkles like crisscross on her face. बहुत बूढ़ी है तो चेहरा तो पूरा क्रॉस wrinkles से भरा ही होगा. Everywhere to everywhere means not a single pinch was left without crisscross of wrinkles. No, we were certain she had always been as we had known her. नहीं, we were certain, we were sure that she had always been as we had known to her. Means, no, we cannot believe that she had a slight or a meager change in any span or in any age. She would have been the same as she is. मतलब हमें बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं था और नहीं हम ये बात मान सकते हैं कि हमारी दादी माँ में कभी कोई चेंज रहा होगा, क्योंकि जब वो आज ऐसी दिख रही हैं, पिछले कई सालों से ऐसे दिख रही हैं, 20 years से, तो we don't believe that she had any changes before 20 years back. For today, it's sufficient. Rest of the part will be covered tomorrow. Thank you. One more thing, please keep a paper and pen with you and go on writing and pointing the features of the grandmother. As the writer has sketched, he has pointed out many descriptions of his grandmother. So you also note them down in your copy. Thank you.